Hi there guys, this is Mr. Makwise and I'm gonna do the presentation, a few experiments for you. Are you guys ready for some science? Okay, so before I start, I want to strongly say that make sure that before you do this experiment, there is somebody present at home, an adult who is supervising you, all right? You can't do this by yourself, okay? So now what we want to look at if the changes of state in matter. Okay, so but from the beginning of our topic, we say that everything is made up of matter, and we say that there are three states of matter, which is a solid, we have a liquid, and we have a gas. So we're going to look at all those states of matter today, and we're going to see what causes this change to occur. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, let's do this. So firstly, you will see I have some ice. You can see that. This is ice I took from the fridge. What I'm going to do is, what state is this ice in? Yes, you got it correct. This is a what? A solid. So ice is in a solid state. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to light up my candle, and this is now some energy I'm providing. Okay? And what kind of energy is this? So this is our light energy and our heat energy, okay, from grade 4. Now, let's see what we can do with this heat energy, okay. I'm gonna put my candle here. There we go. So I'm gonna take now my ice. I put it in here, okay. There's my ice, and then I'm gonna heat it up, and I want you to observe what happens, okay. I'm heating it, I'm heating it, I'm heating it. Okay, now look what has happened. Can you see that? We no more have that solid, but we now have what? We now have a liquid, yes. So by providing this with heat, the solid has melted into a what? Into a liquid. Let's see what happens if we melt it even further, okay? If we heat it even further and then we bring the water to a boil, we want to see what's going to happen. So we are adding heat what? Energy. We are adding heat energy. Okay, something is starting to happen now to my liquid. If you are following along with the help of an adult, you can even put this on a stove. You don't have to use a candle like I did. Okay, you can use a gas stove, but just make sure that you've got somebody who's assisting you. Now I can sort of like start seeing some steam that's coming out of the water. uh, okay, let's see. Okay, can you see the steam that's coming out? So what is happening now to the water? The water is actually evaporating, or the water is now changing state. Remember, it was first a solid, okay, and then we put it, we heated it, we added heat, and it became a what? It's now a liquid, and from a liquid, it's now changing to a what? To a gas, okay? So now, here's something that I want to show you. With me here, I have you can see this is a what? A plate, right? Okay, this plate was cool, and you can see there's nothing on it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this plate over this water that's evaporating, okay? And then I want you to watch what happens, okay? Okay, not sure if you're gonna be able to see those droplets that have formed. Okay, let me close it up like this. Okay, then I'm gonna put it over. Let's see. Okay. Okay, guys, take a look at this. You can see now the plate has got some liquid on it. All right. So now what will happen is that if we manage to make the water to form a liquid again by removing the heat. But remember, the plate was cold. We removed the heat, and now we're able to get that water again. And that water, what do we do when we want it to be ice again or to be a solid again? We put it into a freezer, okay? So basically, guys, this is what happens with our water cycle, whereby we have the water evaporate, it goes into it forms clouds, and then it cools down, it rains, and it continues cycling like that. I hope you guys are going to be ready to answer the questions that I have for you, okay? So stay prepared for the next experiment that we're going to have. Well done, guys, for taking it this far. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.